So I'm going to show you how I colored this thistle flower using these 4 colors from Prisma Color Premier. So I'm going to show you how to get that kind of effect, yeah, so that it looks 3D-ish. Yeah, this just now I made a mistake here, so ignore that. So the first color is I'm going to use Prisma Violet 932, PC932, and then PC994, and then Hot Pink PC993, and Noah or Black PC935. 3 of these can be found in Prisma 72 only, but this one can only be found in Prisma 150. Okay, alright, so let's start. Okay, usually or sometimes I like to start with the brighter side of the element, but then for this particular one, it is nice to start with the darker part, because you will blend when you blend with the color, the darker part will be blended very, very well, instead of just too boldly showing off. Yeah, so I'll just start at the root here. From each petal, the lower part of each petal, darken it. Alright, that. And then I will take PC994. Just now was PC932. Now PC994, and blend it with the darker part at the bottom part of the flower. Towards the upper part of the flower, I will change to the hot pink color, PC993, so that it gives you know when sometimes when the fruits or flowers are younger, the colors are lighter. So this is what I'm doing. So the lighter part is on the top part, like that. So it gives you the feeling that the lower part is darker, the upper part is younger. This one is more mature part. So, and then it looks done, but actually to make it more interesting, I will add a little bit of black to add more depth, so that it looks more interesting and 3D-ish, like this. Just very, very little, very, very little. Okay, and then I will take again the magenta, not the magenta, the processed red, PC994, to blend, just to fill in all any white spots that you can see. Okay, so that's that. So that's it. That's how I color the flower. Similar, isn't it, with that one? Yeah, it's just that this one is smaller, this one is bigger. Okay, thank you for watching.